Are your savings just sitting there? What if I told you they could start making money for you instead of gathering dust? Today, I'll show you a simple, step-by-step path to turn your savings into investing, even if you're starting from zero. Step 1. Create a safety net. Before you invest, stash 3 to 6 months of living expenses in a savings account. Why? Life happens. This fund keeps you from raiding your investments when emergencies hit. B-roll idea: someone happily putting money in a jar labeled emergency fund. Step 2. Learn the investing basics. Understand stocks, bonds, ETFs, and mutual funds. Know what risk is and how diversification works. You don't need a degree, just a few hours of reading or YouTube videos can make you way smarter than most beginners. Step 3. Start small. Open a brokerage or retirement account and invest even $50 a month. Consistency beats timing the market. Automate contributions so it happens without thinking. Small steps add up faster than you expect. Step 4. Diversify. Spread your money across different assets so you're not risking it all on one bet. Think of it like a balanced diet. Your portfolio needs variety to stay healthy and grow steadily over time. Step 5. Review and adjust. Check your portfolio every few months, rebalance if needed, and keep learning. Investing isn't set it and forget it, but it does reward patience and attention. So there you go. From saving to investing, step by step, safety net, learn, start small, diversify, review. Start today, stay consistent, and let time do the heavy lifting. If you learned something new, smash that like button and subscribe for more simple money tips. Your future self will thank you.